Hi guys, this is Anne again. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I'm going to show you the easiest and the cheapest way how to tint your eyebrow at home. First step is make sure that you don't have any makeup on because later on you're going to wash your face. So, mas magandang wala ka na rin makeup. Second is wear a hairband or tie your hair para walang loose hair sa iyong buhok na nakakasagabal sa iyong pagtitint ng brow. Next step is get your blackening shampoo. You can buy this blackening shampoo na naka-sachet. Meron din siya naka-box. Sachet it costs only 10 pesos sa mga sari-sari store. Get an empty container and pour a little amount of the product on it. Make sure na konting-konti lang. Next is pour a drop of water or very konti lang na water dun sa product. And then kung feeling mo very konti, dagdagan mo ako, tinagdagan ko ng konti. Then next, kumuha ka ng stick na panghalo mo. Then mix well. Mix nyo lang yan hanggang sa maging dark green, medyo black. Magka-black lang siya. Mix mo 3 times a day. Then, still mixing. Mix lang ng mix. Don't stop mixing until na maging paste siya. Keep mixing, guys. So this time I think it's okay na. So let's set that aside. Then get your pencil eyebrow. Start to shape your eyebrow using your pencil eyebrow liner. Make sure na i-brush nyo muna ang pataas ang inyong eyebrow hair. Yan, brush lang. Then, draw your kilay. Yung shape lang. Don't fill in. Just draw. Take time on shaping your kilay, shaping your brow. We have a lot of time, so don't hustle. Take time because everything no, wala yun, joke lang, I forgot. So next step is get any oil. For me, kung ang meron lang akong product is baby oil, so put it in a cotton or cotton swab, konti lang, just like that. And then, rub it outside your drawing, your eyebrow, whatever, basta yan. Tignan nyo na lang. Just like that. Then, check your eyebrow proportion. Actually, you should have done that a while ago before natin nilagay yung oil. Anyway, okay naman yung kilay ko, so that's it. Yung drawing ko, I mean. So, ayan, ginawa ko na yung sa kabila. Then, repeat the step sa other kilay. then brush it. Get a brush for application, as an applicator. Ganon. Ayaw mag-focus. Yun yung pang-apply natin sa inner side. Gamit yung base. Yan. Tapos sa base, naging black na siya. So, konti lang. Apply gently. Magsimula kayo dun sa pinaka-tip. Don't start dun sa inner part. Just like that. Gently and slowly. Wag magmadali. Gradually, mag-brush kayo dun sa inner part ng brow ninyo using the leftover sa brush na product. Yan, focus tayo, focus. There's no room for mistake here. Kasi mahirap burahin yan, best. Then, brush. Get a spoolie and brush your eyebrow hair. So, this part, kinuha ko yung spoolie ko. Dinip ko dun sa face. And then, I gently brush dun sa inner part ng kilay ko, yung mga hair strands doon, to make it more thicker and maging parang siyang full, ganun. Then, don't hesitate o kayong matakot, don't be afraid to add more of the paste sa inner part ng kilay, ay dun sa pinaka-outer part, sa may tip. It's better to be darker kasi yan yung mas sikat, ay mas uso ngayon. Kasi it will make you look younger. Then, I did the other kilay, other side, I mean. Just repeat the process. Then, finish. The two are done. Just like that. Then, let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes.
One eternity later.
So, this is look like... Oh my god. I tinted my finger. So, this is look like kapag na-dry na siya. Yan. Hindi na siya glossy. So, makikita nyo naman na very flat na yung color. Taran! So, this is the final product. So, yan. Nakita nyo ba? Diba? Very natural lang siya. Actually, no, medyo manipis pa nga. Pero okay na yan sa akin. Kasi, pwede mo naman siyang i-correct gamit yung eyebrow pencil or your eyebrow product. So, at least kahit bagong ligo ka, para ka pa rin may makeup or may kilay. Then, I'll just fix my face, put on some lip tint and blush, and then that's it. Ayan, aura-aura lang, best. Diba? Drunk blush pa more. Diba? Your kilay is very natural na. So this is the before and after. Diba? Look at the difference. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more